Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start our new lesson, lesson number 16, that is knowing our earth. Our earth is a huge in size. Our earth is so big in size, that's why we call it here as a huge in size. We can see it on a globe or map. In this chapter, the first topic which we are going to read is about globe. A globe is a small model of Earth. It rotates on its axis. Globe Earth का एक small model है और ये अपने axis पे rotate करता है. It nearly presents a real picture of Earth. It shows a real picture of Earth. It shows the land as well as water on the earth. It shows both land and water which is present on the earth. Next is map. Map is an accurate chart of a place. It gives a lot of information about that place. Map is an accurate chart of a place. It gives a lot of so many informations related to a place, about that place. It helps in locating places. It helps us to locate places. Nowadays you can see in your mobile phones also there is Google Map, and whenever we have to visit a new place or when we are traveling from one place to another, we use that map to travel from one place to another or to know the exact location, exact way how we can reach to that place. A map can be hung on wall and even can be folded and carried in easy way from one place to another. We can hang map on wall also. We can fold it and carry with us in an easy way. The book containing a number of maps, different types of maps, is called an atlas. There is a book which contains so many number of maps, different types of map. That book is known as atlas. Maps are of a great use in many aspects of life. A map can be physical or political. Map can be of physical or political, two types. Okay? There are two types of maps, political and physical map. Political map shows countries, continents, states and districts, whereas physical map shows mountains, valleys, plains, plateaus, etc. Political map हमें किसी भी continent, country, state, districts को दिखाता है और physical map mountains, rivers, valleys and plateaus को show करता है. Next is directions. There are four main directions, that are east, west, north and south. They are also known as cardinal directions. If you stand facing rising sun, then you are facing east. Behind you is west. Then after, your right side is south and your left side is north. You can see in your book also, a boy is standing and he is facing sun, so that is east. Behind that boy is west, right side is south and the left side is north. Northeast, the halfway between north and east. नॉर्थ एंड ईस्ट के बीच का जो डायरेक्शन होता है उसे हम बोलते हैं नॉर्थ ईस्ट डायरेक्शन. नॉर्थ वेस्ट, हाफ वे बिटवीन नॉर्थ एंड वेस्ट. नॉर्थ एंड वेस्ट के बीच का जो डायरेक्शन होता है उसे हम बोलते हैं नॉर्थ वेस्ट. देन आफ्टर साउथ ईस्ट, हाफ वे बिटवीन साउथ एंड ईस्ट. साउथ एंड ईस्ट के बीच का जो डायरेक्शन होता है उसे हम बोलते हैं साउथ ईस्ट. देन आफ्टर साउथ वेस्ट, हाफ वे बिटवीन साउथ एंड वेस्ट. साउथ और वेस्ट के बीच का जो डायरेक्शन होता है उसे हम बोलते हैं साउथ वेस्ट. Compass. A compass is an electronic or magnetic device used in find out the cardinal directions. कॉम्पास को अगर आप देखोगे तो वो एक मैग्नेटिक डिवाइस होता है, वो डायरेक्शंस को, जो मेन 4 डायरेक्शंस हैं, कार्डिनल डायरेक्शंस, उनको वो शो करता है. इट शोज नॉर्थ. व्हेन इट पॉइंट्स एट टॉप देन इट शोज नॉर्थ, साउथ, ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट. कॉम्पास आर ऑफ ग्रेटर यूज. मरीन्स वगैरह के यूज में बहुत ज़्यादा कॉम्पास का यूज होता है. Also, a picture of compass is given in your book. Please see that picture. That's all in this chapter. Thank you, students.